Alright, boat's floating, that's a good sign. And let's see, let's check out the seaocks first. Make sure it works. And well, so far. Let's see, there's water underneath it. Oh yeah, a little bit of leakage. Where? Here. Well, it shouldn't be anything up here. So that's got to be coming from back here because this is currently this is closed, so it should only be leaking back here. Open it. Allows water to flow through. It seems like I can make this a wee bit tighter. But for now, I'm going to leave that closed so I can drive the boat and see if it doesn't fill up. That's our next step. Trying to figure it out. Got power though, that's good. Okay, so GPS is working, fish finder's working. I'm gonna take it all around the bay and see if it dies out like it had been. That's good. Let's see if the bait tank's got any water in it. It should not. No more water than normal after a rainstorm. And does not look like the bilge is leaking or the through hole is leaking, but I'm going to take it up to speed first and see. But let's take a look. Not any worse. Than it had been when I launched it. Okay, so far so good. A lot colder than I'd like San Diego to be right now, and a little wetter. It's definitely not the ideal day, but so far everything's running great in the boat. Got the seaocks working. That's the primary concern. Now we're going to test the bait tank once we drive around and see if the bait tank will even fill up because it's closed. So the bait tank should not fill up while I drive around. That's been my problem, is it's been frozen in the open position, so when I drove around it just it ended up making it so that my bait tank would always fill up, and it was, you know, 40 gallons, a few hundred pounds, so that was bad. Now we're going to drive around with it shut off and everything and see if it just stays that way, and then we'll turn it on and hopefully it'll fill up and then that'll work. If that through hole is going to leak, it's going to leak like that. Okay, so just a couple of drops seem to come out. That was right away. It hasn't leaked really since. Now we're going to open this up. And we're going to turn on the pump and see if it fills up the bait tank. I hear it running. Yeah. Oh, so beautiful. So beautiful. And just a second, see it's leaking. Does not appear to be leaking. So good deal. So happy.